You ever had someone teach you something without actually teaching you? That's what happened to me with Anna Kaelin. And the thing she unintentionally showed me changed the entire way I use Substack and how I build community. I'll tell you exactly what that lesson was, but first, let me take you back to the moment it clicked. So when I first decided to really figure out Substack, I found myself drawn to Anna's space. Something about her no-nonsense approach, the simplicity, the clarity, it just felt like a breath of fresh air. I bought her Substack Bootcamp workshop, and oh my cow, it was everything I love. No fluff, no 90-minute rambling, just pure actionable content that you can put into motion that day. But then she did something totally unexpected. At the end of the workshop, she dropped us into a school community. And that moment, the choice to put people in there ended up teaching me something Anna never even said out loud. I'll tell you about that insight in a second. The thing is, I've known about school for years. I even had a really beautiful experience inside someone else's community way back because they were truly masterful at creating engagement. But re-entering school through Anna's workshop, that reignited something. Suddenly, I found myself liking, commenting, connecting, supporting, and before I knew it, I had my own school community, and it's growing fast, like a snowball. A few found me, and then more and more, and they'd find me from school, and I'd share them with Substack, and they'd find me on Substack, and I'd share school with them, and then more people were signing up for my podcast, buying my offers, actually engaging, not just passively consuming, and that's when the insight finally landed. Substack builds your visibility, school builds your relationships. And when you combine the two, your business becomes magnetic. Anna didn't even tell me that. She showed me simply by the way she ran her workshop. Substack brings people into your world. It's where they meet your voice, your energy, your message. It's the front door. But school is the living room. It's cozy. It's where real conversations happen. It's where people transform from readers into relationships. And my community has both a cat and a goose. Join us and I'll show you how you can have a barnyard on your dashboard too, and why you probably want to. And when the two work together, that's when your audience becomes a movement. Once I saw it, I couldn't unsee it. I leaned fully into Substack for my podcast episodes, value drops, videos, and all the things people love. But then I built my school community bigger, warmer, more intentional. And now the two work together like the perfect pair. Substack is meeting new people, school going deeper with the right people. And the momentum, it's wild. More subscribers, more listeners, more clients, but also more connection, more collaboration, more ease. This is what Anna taught me without even meaning to. So here's the question I'll leave you with. What would change in your business if your audience didn't just follow you, but actually talked to you? That's the power of pairing Substack and Skool. If you want to experience this for yourself, to grow your voice, attract aligned clients, and build a community that actually lives and breathes with you, come hang out with us. Join my school community and see what happens when you stop building an audience and start building a movement. You have all the power to change the world. Start today and get visible.